son Dhruv and Dhwani have joined this Geeta summer camp for the first time, and it was really lovely watching them. Every day when they used to come and tell me the story, how rich India was so many years back and how poor it is and what is the reason behind it. I mean, all those value-added things are really worth seeing, and I really thank all the Prabhujis and Matajis for giving them such a good encouragement to come up on the stage and also behind adding every value to them. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Any other parents? Tell your name and tell your son's name about the name.
Hindi or English? Telugu? నమస్కారం సార్. మరి సెకండ్లో చేసింది ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళ బామ్మగారికి తాతగారికి హరే శ్రీకృష్ణ అని నమస్కారం చేశారు. మగపిల్లలు వేసే సాష్టాంగ నమస్కారానికి ఆడపిల్లలు వేసే నమస్కారానికి తేడా మాకు తెలిపారు. వెరీ సాటిస్ఫై. మూడో రోజు నుంచి కృష్ణుడి ఫోటో పెట్టి కృష్ణుడికి నైవేద్యం, కృష్ణుడికి తులసాలు పెట్టి, కృష్ణుడికి నీళ్ళు, కృష్ణుడికి ప్రసాదం. ఎలా అంటే పేరెంట్స్ ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ I work for IT company and I told how to get colleagues of mine. The change that I have seen in our years.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Please, you tell in English also, Madhavi.
And my kids, Smita and Mutha and my sister-in-law's kid, Lahari, all three of them have joined this camp. And one thing I want to tell you, the very second day, they went and they did pranam to their grandparents who are at home because I work, and they showed that it was between Sashtang Namaskar, the way boys do and the way girls do, which was very scintillating. And they learned from them to see them that, you know, when one so much we got tears in the eyes and tears in my eyes right now as well. And the very third onwards, they put Krishna photo and they offered Naivedya, Tulsi Galam, which is favorite of Krishna, and water and flowers, and every day morning they do puja. Who is sleeping? I understand that they have been prayed for 21 times. You need to pray Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. They do that. They have also told us that before you go out, you pray Krishna. After you come back again to Mansa, you thank Krishna, because Krishna will be in tension that you have to come back safely. And to listen to all this from the kids' mouth, such a great experience, don't pass. I've never had this experience. Thanks to my husband, first of all, to find this, and my entire family for supporting me. Thank you.
మా హస్బెండ్ నోనో అన్నారు, వదిలేద్దాము, అది కాకపోతే ఇంకా బోల్డ్ ప్రోటీన్ ఫుడ్ తీసుకోవచ్చు అన్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ డే మా చిన్న పాప రోజు నేను ప్రసాదం పాలు పెడతాను దేవుడికి, వచ్చి అడిగింది, అమ్మ ఏం చేస్తానంటే పాలు పెట్టాను అనమాట. ఎందుకు తులసాకు వేయలేదు, కృష్ణుడు తినడు, తులసాకు వెయ్యి అది ఇంతకన్నా ఏం చెప్పలేను. ఇది గమనించాను మా పిల్లల్లో నేను. నెక్స్ట్ డే నుంచి నేను కంపల్సరీ డైలీ తులసాకు వేసి పాలు పెడుతున్నాను.
My daughter's name is Anupama. I am finding a lot of improvements within 6-7 days. Very disciplined, and earlier she was not willing to go to even some improvement I observed. And also yesterday she was saying that I am not going to eat egg. Normally she used to eat egg every Sunday. She said next week onwards I am not going to eat any egg. Why? I was asking. No, my Guruji told, and we should not eat egg. So that is a good thing. And I am saying lot of discipline I observed. I thank to all the team members of this call. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I am especially thankful to all the parents, all the esteemed mothers and the fathers, those who have kindly sent their children to this camp. And we are conducting every Sunday program, every Sunday from 10 to 1. So you can continue to send them and this whole year it is free, absolutely free. No charges at all to send your children for this camp, and the parents are also welcome. Also continue. So those any other parents wants to say something, they can come, or we can have one nice, very nice, interesting drama. Prabhuji, you want to come on the back side? Some parents are seeing. Or if you want to conduct I want the students now, some of the students, they can come and they can say their changes they are finding. Find some change in yourself. Okay, if someone does not want to come on the stage and if they want to speak from their place, they can raise the hand and the mic will come to you. Anyone, please just raise your hand and mic will come to you. 1 minute. So after the parents, now this is the turn of the students. Those students who want to learn their experience, they can come, especially the elder one. You wait. Especially the elder students, if they see some change in themselves. So
నీతి విలువలు తెలుస్తాయి. సంగీతం, నృత్యం మనకు ఆనందం, ఆహ్లాదం కలిగిస్తాయి. రంగులు వేయటం వల్ల సంతోషం పొందుతాము. నేను ఇక్కడికి రావటం వల్ల తల్లిదండ్రులను పాదములకు నమస్కరించడం, పెద్దలు గౌరవించడం నేర్చుకున్నాను. ధన్యవాదాలు.
First of all, I would like to thank whole team for its endeavor to giving us an opportunity to hear the stories of Krishna Leela, Bhagavad Gita slokas and learn philosophy. Now I understand the differences between human life and the animal life. Who is the bona fide spiritual authority and the qualifications of a disciple? I have also realized that I am suffering from 3 kinds of miscreants like Adhyamika Klesha, Adibhautika Klesha, Adidaivika Klesha. They have taught me now how to become a good devotee. Mataji told us clearly about it. We had very much fun in the classes. We learned many songs and dances. I like this summer camp so much, so that I wish myself to attend the next year also. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. Thank you.
These parents and all my friends present here. I am standing before you just to give you a glimpse of some of the wonderful things that we all learned in this camp. The first and most important thing that we learned was that Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead, and all the other Devi Devtas or demigods are his authorized representatives. So in future, if I want some of my desires fulfilled, I am also happy. We also learned about the goal of the human life. All of us have short-term goals like getting good rank, getting a nice job, etc. But these are not the real goals. The ultimate goals of all of us should be the same, that is serving Lord Krishna and going back home, back to Godhead and serving Lord Krishna there also with love and devotion. If somebody asks us what is your problem, we all have a list of different problems like ill health, problems in the family, financial problems, etc. But these are not the real problems. The real problems of life are old age, disease, birth and death. Adhyatma. This world is a jail created to keep your rebellious soul, and Goddess Durga is the jailer of this jail. Goddess Durga is the obedient servant of Lord Krishna.